Y'all, I have tasted this. Oh my God. And I have twisted my neck, y'all. I already have nerve impingement in my neck, but I twisted my neck a certain way. And I can't turn my head right without a lot of pain. But it's starting to feel a little bit better. Because somebody put a gob of tiger balm on my neck. But anyway, y'all, look at that. Look, you tell me. Oh my God, it's so good. Look, and here it is in the sheet pan. Y'all, this is low carb goodness. Goodness from heaven. It's good, y'all. Very, very good. Okay, y'all. We have a great meal today, and this is our 2 days where we do our low carb. So, low carb doesn't mean no carbs. It just means very low carb. And we're going to gradually start working on the sugar adjustments and all that. Now, I told my daughter if I don't see changes in her like I want to see, she's going to be on a 3-day low carb program. But y'all, it is amazing if you just watch your food intake, your carb intake, how your body changes. What we're going to be doing, sweet potatoes you can have on a low carb. This isn't keto, this is low carb. So we are going to peel these sweet potatoes. And we have salmon, which I don't know if y'all can see the salmon. That's some of the salmon right there. And we have broccoli that we're also going to do. So this is going to go on a sheet pan. The sweet potatoes and the broccoli and the salmon. All that is going to go on a sheet pan. It is a 1 sheet pan meal. We'll see if we can fit it on 1 sheet pan. But that is what is for dinner tonight. And I'm going to show y'all everything step by step. So get ready. Welcome back to Misty's Pleasures of Life and Good Southern Cooking. Y'all, don't forget to click that like button, hit that notification bell, and share my content. I am going to start trying to help my friends a lot more grow their channels. I have a lot of friends on YouTube, and they make excellent content. So let's go ahead and get started with this meal, and I will see you all there in my kitchen. Well, we're already there, y'all.
Welcome to Misty's Pleasures of Life, where joy and laughter dance in the air. Adventures await, come join the strife. With open hearts we gather and share at Misty's table.
All right, so that's my cast iron. I cleaned and I put the oil in. If you are ever wondering how to keep your cast iron in tip-top shape, y'all, all you have to do is oil it really good. And that will keep it going for years and years to come. I also put an oil on the base of it so it looks shiny because I hang it up. But cast iron, I love it. I would not give anything for my cast iron. I also got to put those potatoes up over there. I need to put them up. I just got groceries, so I need to put those potatoes up. Can't have those today or tomorrow. All right, y'all, so we are going to get our sweet potatoes scrubbed, and then well, I don't know why I'm really scrubbing them when they're going to be peeled. I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. Just give them a light scrubbing. Okay, y'all. So sweet potatoes are a tube vegetable, meaning they are grown under the ground. They're different from regular potatoes. Potatoes are grown under the ground too, but these have different nutrient qualities from a normal potato. That's why you can have them on a low carb diet in moderation. So I am going to go ahead and cut off the ends, and then we're going to peel it. Not all the peeling is going to be gone. That's why we wanted to wash it. So I do leave some peeling because it has some value to the potato. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I personally do. I also use it for my compost. The peeling that I do take and where I cut the ends off, that goes in my compost. So I know that one sweet potato made a lot of cubes, a lot. I think I'll probably do just one more because they're so big. All right, y'all. So you know that potatoes take a lot longer than broccoli or salmon or anything like that for a sheet pan meal. So what we're doing right now is we're going to do the potatoes and get them fork tender first, and then we're going to start adding everything else with that. So I just realized my mic was dead, y'all. So what we're doing is potatoes take a lot longer than anything else, right? So we're going to take our sweet potatoes we've diced up, and we are going to put them in the oven at 425. We're going to season them a little bit first. And once they become fork tender, we can pour it out, and then we can push them to the side, then add the broccoli, the salmon. Now, we will be marinating the salmon while the potatoes are in there. So let's go ahead and just prep the potatoes and get them in there. Right, now we're going to just prepare the little bit of glaze we're going to do for the salmon. These are easy to do. I'm just going to put them in a pan with some orange. We're going to put orange on them, the juice. We're going to do that. And we're also going to do lemon. And we're going to do honey. And we're going to do a little bit of salt and pepper on those as well. And we're also going to top it off with melted butter. So I'll do these first because they're real easy.
Don't hold it back. Just watch me as I go. I'm breaking these chains and releasing all of us. Open the sky. It's in your hands. Remember the secrets, and your soul will mend. We are magical, so magical. Our waiting goal, and we will never grow old. And we will never grow old.
Say you love me, say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. Let me know if we'll be okay. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning. I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me.
Now you guys will cover that with a napkin in the microwave and let it melt. And then we'll pour it on top of that salmon. Alright, you guys, I've got an impinged nerve in my neck, so I'm having trouble with my head. But look, doesn't it look so good? Yes, it does. I'm gonna start doing videos where we're eating. Where we're eating it. We're gonna be eating it, y'all. Y'all, this is so good. My daughter's standing back here and she's like, "Can I have some?"